Say, folks, I'm your host, James here. I want to thank you guys for tuning in again for another segment of the James Area Show, folks. I'm your host, James Area, folks, and I'm broadcasting live right here, right now from Dallas, Texas, folks. Again, I want to thank all you guys for tuning in, folks. All of you guys that are in the group, folks, I want to thank each and every last one of you guys for your contributions, folks, because, again, what we're doing, folks, is bigger than you and I. And again, anytime you have a team, folks, you're going to need one thing. You're going to need a coach. And if you're raising a community, folks, it's going to take the entire village. Okay. So I want to thank each and every last one of you guys for each and everything that you do, folks. First off, foremost, I want to say Happy New Year to each and every one of you guys. Look, 2021 was a great year. 2022 is here to stay, all right? And 2022, folks, it actually belongs to you. And because 2022 is here, folks, there's one thing that I want you guys to guarantee me that you guys are going to do, okay? I need you to guarantee me that you guys are going to surround yourself around people that are going in the direction that you want to go in, folks. It's really not all that complicated, folks. Surround yourself around people that are going in the direction that you want to go in. Because again, folks, listen, you can never grow your seeds amongst a bunch of weeds. All right. So again, folks, this is the only show right here on the internet, folks, that each and every time you log on, folks, you're going to be getting unscripted, raw, game, jewels, dimes being dropped right here, folks. We're going to show you how to market your business, folks. We're going to show you how to expand your business, folks. We're going to show you how to beat and dominate the competition, folks. So you're going to get all that right here on the James Area Show, folks. Again, listen, you got to excuse me, guys, for talking so fast because I really get excited about this show, folks. I get really excited about you, folks. I get really excited about your potential, folks. I've dedicated my 2022 specifically for you, folks. I dedicated that for you. I've dedicated that on showing you how to continuously market your business, how to grow your business, folks. And again, if I'm able to help you do that, when that happens, folks, guess what? It increases your bottom line. And if it increases your bottom line, then guess what? I've done my job, folks, because we're all are here for the same purpose, folks. We're all here to grow our business, folks, and to increase our bottom line. And once we increase our bottom line, folks, it actually gives us a better lifestyle, folks. And that's what we all are here for, folks. And, listen, before I forget, it's a few special people that I just want to give a special shout out to. Thomas Vance. Listen, I see what you're doing, okay? Larry, Abned, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correct, but at any rate, you get my point, okay? I see exactly what you're doing each and every day. Kevin Patrick, I appreciate you. John BFA Laval, Buddy, Don Tucker, Stephen Elstefan, I'm sorry, Elstefan Casey, and Brad Isaac. I see each and every last one of you guys. And listen, if I've left out anybody, which I'm sure that I have, listen, just, let me know in the comments, folks. Okay. Let me know in the comments. I'm sure I've left out somebody, but again, I appreciate each and every last one of you guys. Listen, this group has taken off and grown like wildfires. Well, again, it's nothing that I've done, obviously, and it's really not so much that I can give credit to the internet for it. It's us as a team, folks. This is what we have been able to do, folks, and the ultimate reason is because we have tapped into a $800 billion industry, folks. And again, you don't have to worry about, what ABC Trucking Company is doing. You don't have to worry about what 123 Trucking Company is doing, folks, because with it being an $800 billion market, there's enough out there for each and every last one of us. Okay. So again, folks, without holding you guys any further, okay, I want to say happy new year to you guys, folks. And I want you to stay tuned, and I want you to continue to chime in. I want to hear what you guys think about this channel, how we can make this channel a bigger and better channel, folks. The goal is to make this the largest trucking company channel, the largest business channel on the internet today, folks. And I think with you and I think we all can do it, folks. So again, listen, the goal is, folks, this is the only place, folks, that you're going to get unscripted, raw, dimes, jewels, gems, right here, folks. Show you how to show you how to market your business, to show you how to increase your business, folks. This is the only place that you're going to get that, folks. So again, we want to thank each and every last one of you guys for watching. And if you haven't introduced yourself already, then go ahead and click that subscribe button, folks. Go ahead and leave me a comment, and we will get to know each other soon. I want to meet each and every last one of you guys, because I believe we all have a story. We all have a story that may inspire someone. And again, once you inspire someone, guess what? They no longer need an alarm clock. They no longer need someone to wake them up in the morning. You know why? Because they have been inspired. And again, like I said, folks, thank each and every last one of you guys. And again, happy new year to each and every last one of you guys. Look, I want to tell you right now, 2022, folks. I'm looking for that screen, folks. Bear with me, folks. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, folks. 2022 is for you. I don't want you to let nothing get in your way. Don't let nothing stop you. I need you to be relentless. I need you to display a level of tenacity that no one has ever seen before. I need you to be like that pit bull, folks. I need you to just go for it. I need you to jump off of that bridge, okay? And when you jump off of that bridge, because you had a certain level of faith that no one else has ever been able to display, just believe that before you hit the ground and splatter like that watermelon, you're going to catch wings. Again, folks, I'm your host, James Airy. And again, thank you for watching the James Airy Show, and happy new year to each and every last one of you guys.